guys, what up? This is Dato of Alex, and today's tutorial is how to change your video color on certain color, specifically on a video in Vegas Pro. And it's pretty easy on how you can do that, and all you need is a plugin called AAV Color Lab. Now this plugin is free, so you can download in the link down below. So make sure you install it first in your computer, and you can proceed watching this tutorial. So here I have a clip of a tree in my timeline, and I have the plugin here, which is labeled as AAV Color Lab. Just simply drag and drop into your video. Now the cool things about this AAV Color Lab is not only it gave you options to change color specifically on what color you want to choose, from red, green, blue, cyan, magenta, and yellow. You can change the saturation and lightness. Not only color adjustment, you can also adjust the levels, the contrast and etc. with this plugin. It's a pretty useful plugins for coloring especially. So I highly recommend you guys to download this plugin, and it's definitely free. So since we want to change the green into, let's say, like purple color, it's pretty easy. So I'm gonna select the green, and first of all I'm just gonna play around. It doesn't affect everything, which means I have to also change the color yellow. But let's just reset the hue by double click this tab, and let's animate the color changes. So for this, I want to start the animation to start somewhere around here. I add one keyframe, and then I go a few frames forwards, and I want to start changing the color of the tree. So what I basically do is I just start to move the hue slider, so maybe turns into somewhere around, I'll just make it like purplish color, but it doesn't affect much. It means I have to change the yellow color. So I'm gonna select the yellow color tab and make more adjustment, and there you go. You just make the video turns into purple, which means the tree color. Now this plugin only affects on color that you specifically chosen. So basically you won't suddenly affect a blue color or the skin tone color, because it's only specifically picks the color that you change. So I hope with this tutorial you can improve your video editing, and see you guys next time.